see here, we picked up 130 horsepower. It's been sitting on the ground for a while. It's been abandoned. We're gonna see if we can get it to run.
We're gonna give it a shot. If it's got compression, we got a chance. So we currently are having to build an engine stand because our other engine stands got an engine on it. So Porter's gonna come up with something to get this engine out on the air and we can get to working on it. Getting our support arms built. Starting to look like an engine stand. We'll be seeing if this engine runs here in a second. Porter's currently putting the rest of the caster wheels on. Using some spare hardware to make it happen. Stay tuned, we'll eventually get this outboard on the stand. Got the engine stand built. We're gonna get the outboard put on it and see if we can't get this engine to run. No, I ain't gonna close them. I don't know. I saw that thing too. You got the key, kill switch in? Alrighty.
We got a bunch of leakage going on with the carburetor.
What kind of leakage? Did you put fuel to it?
Let's put carb spray in it.
Alright, bye.
Right?
Yeah, buddy. And then that happens. Oh my God, yes. Woo! Good morning. Day 2, will it run? We got Porter over here. He just got to the job site. What you gonna be doing, Porter?
Well, I'm gonna pull these carbs off, rebuild them, clean them, put them back on, see if it fires up.
I think it'll run. Will it run good though?
Compression says no, but. Alright, pretty simple carbs to remove. 6 10mm bolts back here. You have to remove this linkage and fuel line from the fuel pump. Oh man. So to separate the carbs from the base, take these 6 10mm bolts off, 3 in the front, 3 on the back. Remove this. Like that. And the carbs come off the plate. So there's the plate that they mount on. Here's your carburetors. Disassemble the linkages, fuel lines, they should separate.
So Porter's getting ready to fire it up. You got the carbs rebuilt. It's leaking a little bit. We're gonna see if we still can't just get her to fire up and then figure out what the fuel leak is. I just want to hear this thing run. So Porter went through and rebuilt the carburetors for us. After doing a compression check, we have cylinder 1 was 90, cylinder 2 was 140, and cylinder 3 was 110. Knowing that cylinder 1 had lower compression, putting any more money into this is just kind of out of the question for me.